Hello and welcome to your introduction to setting up your own account on the Shambhala Temple of Light website, our YouTube channel, and also creating a Mixlr account so you can tune into the live broadcasts on Saturday nights. Michael Seegers will be leading me, Laura J, through the process of setting up my account. And in the process of watching me do mine, you are welcome to go through the step-by-step process too. So, Michael, please help us all.
So first we look at the URL, which is the website address. There's no www, it's just https://shambhalatempleoflight.com. There's not a tremendous amount of content built into the website yet. We've made it very simple. In the top right, you see my account, and that's where you're going to click, Laura, right now to create your account.
Okay.
So we're just going to put in email address and click register. And so you can upload a photo there. You see folders here, the morning ritual, the 2017 class supplemental materials, teachings on the 7 rays, the ascension books, bija mantras, call books, decree books and songs, dictations, Fortuna Marathon, heart lectures, heart meditation, I am light, keepers of the flame, Maitreya, studying Christhood, pearls of wisdom, psychic warning retreats, rosary project. And then below the folders, each of those folders has content that you can download. And then there's a couple more current broadcast PDFs that are part of the live stream. So there is content for members that you can access and download and save to your computer. And in the coming years, we're going to build a lot more content in there.
Yeah. In order to set up your picture, you just simply click on where the icon is. You can upload the file by choosing one from your computer. I'm going to choose this one and then click upload.
Oh, there we go. So the picture's uploaded and there's Laura.
Voila.
There for a second. I want you to just log out. Right under your photo, log out.
I'm just going to click confirm and log out.
Oh, okay. Definitely want to confirm that.
Okay.
Above my account, it says live stream.
Right here.
And scroll down just a little bit and see where it says latest live stream program right under your cursor.
Yes.
That's the program for the Saturday night. Every week I upload a new one. So if you click on that, it'll open a PDF. It'll have all the words for all the decrees and songs. So page 1 is the table of contents.
So it opens up in a new tab, and then you see everything that will be covered in the forthcoming broadcast.
And if you look at the toolbar at the bottom, the little gray toolbar, you might want to just touch on the controls there. The far left one. No, yeah, over there. The far left icon in the toolbar on the left.
Oh, here?
Yeah, what is that showing you? It's that's show the sidebar. So you don't necessarily want the sidebar, but that's if you wanted to scroll through the pages, that's on your left of the screen, open up that sidebar. On the right of the screen, it's using up a lot of the space. Up at the top right corner, there's an arrow. I would personally close that farther to the top and to the right now. Just close that. So now you have the whole page in front of you. And the controls for the page are, again, down at the bottom in that gray toolbar. Mm-hmm. So you see page numbers and page down and page up arrow is on the left of the numbers. And then you've got the minus and plus buttons, so you can make the page display smaller or larger.
Smaller, larger.
And then it would go full screen with the next arrow controls. And then there's a printer icon, so you could actually print out the PDF. And then we'll close that.
And to close that out of full screen mode, you just click escape.
Okay, and then I want to close the PDF. So you're looking back at
So
the alt.
the PDF is opened in a separate tab, so you can keep that open and then just shift back to the page.
Excellent, thank you. See the picture, our temple icon on the left?
Mhm.
To the right of that, yeah, just to the right of that, you see a little fleur-de-lis in a circle.
Mhm.
That will change into a triangle when the broadcast is live. And all you have to do is click on that, it's the play button, and turn your speakers on. And you will hear the broadcast live on Saturday night. Anytime we're live, you just scroll down, that's the player, and that fleur-de-lis will be a play button shaped like a triangle, and you just click play and turn speakers on.
Perfect. And when it is live, it will say on air, where currently it says off air.
Exactly. And then below that, it says you can download the Mixler app onto your device, and we have setup instructions if you have any kind of a challenge with doing that. And we'll take you in a moment to the Mixler website. If you want to contact us for anything, I get them immediately. Just fill out the contact message and it goes straight to the email. We're going to look now at our Mixler website.
Okay.
Mixler is a broadcasting platform. Thousands of people around the world use this to broadcast it. So we're going to now create an account for you, Laura, and then show you our platform.
So we'll click login. And I had deleted my account.
So that we can
Don't have
now
an account, sign up,
create a brand new one.
and then Laura J. Okay.
So they sent you an email. Click the link in your email to confirm the address and activate the account. And for anybody who didn't notice, it was mixler.com is the website address to find Mixler. You just put it in Google, MIXLR.
mixlr.com. And so that has been done. And now
Now you can log in.
An account. So I just go log in. It's already saved. Log in. It's not yet active. Oh, now.
We're faster than the computers.
Indeed. It was giving me the information for the Shambhala account. Here we go. And we're in.
Excellent. So now in the top to the right, there's a search box.
Yes.
Type in Shambhala and you see Shambhala Temple of Light, second from the top. Click on that. So it loads that one for you. Now you're in our Shambhala Temple of Light account. And you see some people there. You see Pierre Marie, you see Christelle, you see Gail Adams. That's the chat box. That's where you can type in and communicate with other members who are live online while we're broadcasting. And to the left of that, under our picture, you see there's 12,000 total listens. There's 56 followers. There's a link to our website. And then it says 426 show reel items. And click on that for a second.
Which opens in a new tab.
These are all the archived broadcasts that we've ever done. And you see that there's more than 18 pages of them. You see the top left there, all the page numbers. So they're displaying the most recent one, December 12. We had the dictation from Archangel Chamuel. And there's the play button, a little triangular play button, the same one that you'll see on our Shambhala website when we go live. It looks just like that. And you can listen to any of the archive broadcasts. So if you don't have the opportunity to be live with us at the time, if you're in a different time zone or for whatever reason, you can come back the next day or 6 hours later or 3 months later and choose any of the archive material and play it whenever it's convenient for you. And so it's that simple. You go to Mixler, you create an account, you search for Shambhala Temple of Light, you click on Shambhala Temple of Light, it brings you to our page. You have access to the chat group. You can in your account settings, you can upload a photograph of yourself. In the bottom left, you've got the show reel items, so you can go into the archive and replay any of the material that we've ever produced. And it's that simple. Click on 56 followers. You get to see all the members.
Great, so you can connect. You can connect with everybody that is a member of the Shambhala Temple of Light.
Yeah, there's no messaging system in there, but it lets you know who has joined us, and some of them have their pictures, and you'll recognize them in the chat box there when we're live.
Fabulous. Great community.
Wonderful. The last thing I'd like to show is our YouTube page.
Right.
So if you go to youtube.com and just type in Shambhala Temple of Light,
okay.
There's our channel. And if you click on videos, you see there are 5 across, and keep scrolling down. We've got about 85 videos, and we continue to add content every week. So there's tutorials about violet flame, about decreeing. There is excerpts from dictations from the masters, all kinds of teachings. Some are short 5-minute ones, some go as long as an hour. Plenty of content, and constantly building that. And if you go back up to the top menu beside videos, you have playlists.
I will also say this is Elizabeth Clare Prophet, who is often referred to as Mother. So if you're not familiar with who that is, she is a key figure in all of these messages, or many of these messages.
Mother is no longer with us. She served as a messenger for 40 years, and those of us who came to know her and really came to love her dearly, we call her Mother because she was like a spiritual mother to us. She was a phenomenal human being. She accomplished a work that I can't begin to describe the enormity of it. She had a staff of 800 people, and she kept them all busy. And they produced a volume of material, and they created Summit University and Summit Lighthouse. Just did a phenomenal job of service to the masters. And I had the opportunity to meet her personally in Toronto in 1985. I was initiated by her, and just one of the huge guiding lights in my spiritual journey. Can't say enough about her. So thank you for that, Laura. We're gonna go back up to playlists. Okay, and so you see the second from the left, the playlist is called Beginner's Class. And
today,
I was hoping you would display, okay, so we have them all in the box to the right.
they're in the box to the right.
So what I put in the Beginner's Class is teaching of the chart of the presence, number 1, and I've numbered them so you can see them: 01, chart of the presence; 02, science spoken word; 03, violet flame intro; 04, violet flame in-depth explanation. Today's material, the tube of light, will be 05. And as we add content for the beginner class, it'll go into that playlist. So you don't have to go hunting for it. It'll all be in the playlist. It'll all be numbered so you know where to start. So the information makes the most positive sense. And the playlist itself has a web address. It's not being displayed right now, but I do send it out in emails. And it's the easiest way to start on the YouTube channel. Yeah, there's the playlist address in the browser now. There are other playlists. Some are designed for more advanced members, but the tutorial today is for the people who are new with this, and so they're all recommended to start with the beginner's class and then progress into the more advanced material. Anything you'd like to add?
Thank you for everything and making this a comprehensive introduction for people to gain access to the teachings that can help in the ascension that we are all here to make.
Thank you, Laura, for all your help in producing this video presentation.
My pleasure. No, I think that that's everything for today. So thank you very much for making it as easy for people to get started in the Shambhala Temple of Light website, the Mixler account, and gain access to the teachings in the YouTube channel. So those of you who are viewing this now have lots to dig into now. And if you have any issues whatsoever, then please do reach out, let Michael know, and certainly he'll guide you to the best of his ability. And we who are also members of the Temple of Light would love to be able to support and encourage you on your journey, since right now, as we all go through the transition that we're going through as a collective, we have the support of one another and are grateful to have found you as you find us. Cha-ching!
Thank you, Laura.
My pleasure. All right, very good. That's timing of that was perfect. Why I said
What numbers did you see?
No, it was more that I just finished and then it did cha-ching, or your little ding. It's just like, okay, that's perfect. That's why I said cha-ching. Thank you for everything.
You're so welcome.
All right, peace out.
Okay, bye.
Peace in.
In, right on, whatever.
Peace all around. All right.